How to stop shopping for clothes and shop your own closet. So this was one of the hardest things for me to do. Stop the aimless shopping visits to stores and start looking at my closet as an exciting things. And believe it or not, this took for me a dedication. And there is a method I use that I really recommend to everyone who I know that is struggling. And I hope this method helps you as well. All I did was you could use boxes, you could use suitcases, just ensure the amount of clothes you have, mean the categories. If you have, let's say, pants, shorts, skirts, shirts, dresses, then you have a bag for each category or a box for each category. Put all your clothes in these. You can put them like dumping them if they are folded in the closet, put them folded as well where you can see them from the top. Ensure that is easily accessible. Tell your family members because they will need to support you, and say it really vulnerably. I'm trying to ensure that I like what I own again. And I believe if we are honest, people will like this honesty and start to actually support us in this journey, because we cannot do it alone. Anyhow, how did I do that? I started with putting all the categories, as I said, in those boxes. And every week on Sunday, because I go to the office, depends on your lifestyle, this might change a little bit. I was doing outfit planning. So on hangers or on your closet itself, because it's going to be empty, you could start hanging 7 outfits for that week. You could also do extra outfits like a gym outfit, things like that. Depends on your activities. Just ensure to write these down and keep them in mind. And for every Sunday, I was taking from my boxes things and acting like those boxes are the boutique shelves that I'm looking through. And what was so interesting is that I took the outfits from my Pinterest boards. I wanted to dress like the Pinterest girls I like, and I saved their photos, because why not? We need to love ourselves, and not shopping should not feel, and I said that before, like you're depriving yourself from something. You should enjoy doing this because you're doing this for you and you love yourself, and that is the next thing. You should keep reminding yourself that on days you're really itching and wanting to go and shop for something. So that's what I did. I put everything in those boxes, and that really made me see how much I already own from what I see those girls wearing. And it gave me more creative ideas. When I wanted something in the new apple green color, I talked about that before. I just went to the store, the drugstore, and I bought fabric dye, and I dyed a shirt that I wasn't wearing anymore. It was in white, and I had this apple green part. So it really will help your creativity bit by bit. I want you to do that for a bit, like give it 1 month, and really from that 1 month you will see how much you're trying to wear most of your stuff every day, and your creativity level with your own closet is going to increase. And that is what we need. We need to love our stuff. We need to start appreciating the money that we've already spent on them, instead of generating new money to spend on things to fill the gap that we do not like ourselves. You will find what you like and what you care for already in your closet. And that exactly is the challenge I want you to take up yourself and start investing time in it. From that, I started also to notice things that I'm skipping. I'm not even drived to wear, and those could find a better home to clear out the way for things I really truly love. And through that, it started my love to my closet again. It started the trust to my closet again. It started the also proudness, because I started to feel that certain things do not fit my lifestyle, and I'm okay with that, and I should not feel bad letting them go because the damage has been done already. I paid the money for them, if that makes sense. And I have to tell you, my husband every day was seeing me, and he said, wow, like it looks like you have new clothes, more clothes. Even my grandma was calling me because I was posting online with these clothes, and she was like, Angie, how much are you spending on clothes now? And I was saying I did not spend anything new. It's just I rediscovered old items. I started dressing them nicer. I started fixing them in a way where I would like them more. And that is exactly what I need you to do. I need you to start loving your closet again, because that's the most powerful thing to really control your spending and really start the next step for you. I hope you find this video useful. It's short but sweet, to the point. Let me know if you will do this challenge, and if you do it, please come again and let us know if it helped or not. And I will see you in my next video. Make sure to leave me in the comments what you want to see from me next, what you struggle most with debt at, and I will make sure to put it in my pipeline of videos to come up next. Have a happy life, Booze. See you. Bye bye.